serious.
Hey. Walk up in the bitch to clean up froze. They don't fight you where I'm from. Like the beat, I keep a drum. You ain't got dough, little boy.
I'm Shay with Shaded by Shay Crafts, and today we're gonna be making business cards. A lot of people ask me how I made my business cards, and I just want to do a tutorial just so you guys can see what I do, how I do it, and how I actually press the prints on there and make them. So what we're gonna need is heating tape, of course, because we're doing sublimation, and this silver card. I got these from Amazon. I'll go ahead and post the link below. This heating tape was from Amazon as well. And then of course you're gonna need a heat press, sub paper. Paper I use is this, have little green A's on the back. And this is a 13 by 19 paper. So I print a lot of big things, so 13 by 19. And we'll go ahead and get started on making those cute, very affordable business cards.
So here I'm really just designing the card for the person that I'm making them for. And I use a different template to do this. Everything is done through this one template, and I'm just designing whatever the customer wanted, basically making it a credit card style card. Alright, so I'm almost done designing this card, just doing some finishing touches.
Alright, so I have my photo that I took for a screenshot. I'm going to click the crop tool at the top. And we're going to go ahead and just crop around the photo. That way we'll just have a little card, not everything else. All right, so now we have our cute front piece, and we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the back. All right, and then you see here, it says save a copy or save. You can save a copy, that way you can keep your original, or you can just click save just so you can have this. I'm just clicking save. All right, now this is the back, and this is the front. We're gonna go ahead and put these in silhouette, because that's what I use to print big format pages, or big in my opinion. And then I'm just gonna put them side by side and just make as many templates as I can or that I need.
So right now what I'm doing is just cropping everything off that's not the card. That way I can only have the card showing. So that's all that prints on my little tan aluminum card. So right now all I'm really doing is lining each aluminum card up with one of the prints. That way it prints the perfect way and lines up evenly. Alright, so of course I just pressed them. I'm going to go ahead and remove this paper. And yep, that's them. Look at that color. So right now I'm just showing you guys some of the cards that I've already done, some different designs. So if you want to see exactly how I design the cards step by step, go ahead and like and subscribe, of course. Comment if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.